Hi, everybody. Thanks for joining me today for Coffee with Dr. Cary. This is a segment that we did last year quite often, and wanted to start to do it again because people are interested in what we're doing in the clinic, how we're treating patients in the clinic, different conditions that we see, and then some of the seminars or webinars that we're putting on at the clinic. So our goal here is to change lives in our community, and the way we do that is through chiropractic care. We want to help everyone with their health, with their spinal health, joint health, and all their lifestyle like stretches and exercises, things they can do to support the treatment we do in the clinic. So again, thanks for joining me today. We do have a webinar coming up this Saturday, and the webinar is going to be on back pain and stretches. And I'm going to put the link in the chat right now so that you can click on that link and register. It's a free webinar, and I'm going to be talking about back pain. I'll be talking about stretches, things you can do to help yourself if you have that condition. And if you're on Instagram or social media, you can click on the link in the bio and then go to the next webinar, back pain and stretch webinar this Saturday, and you can join by clicking that link in our bio. So back pain, what are some common causes of back pain and how do we treat that in the clinic? And there's different reasons people have back pain. Some of the common reasons are they have a fall or an injury, and what happens is they put something out of place and they have pain because of that misalignment in their spine. And posture is important too. The way you sit or the way you sleep, different exercises that you're doing. And while we're talking about that, week Saturday, we have a special webinar on sleeping and supports that you need for sleep. And this is a paid webinar. Here's the link for it. And we're going to be talking about different products that you can use to support sleep, like the proper pillow, proper mattress, sleep aids. So we'll be talking about different things you can do to get comfortable and to have a good night's sleep. So that'll be a week Saturday. This week we'll be talking about common causes of back pain. We'll be talking about posture and alignment. We'll be talking about simple stretches you can do to release back pain. And some of the common stretches that I give my patients are stretches like cat and cow. That's one of the more common stretches that I do and I give to patients in the clinic. So the cat and cow, or sometimes it's referred to the cat and the dog, it's a very common stretch that I like to give as an introductory stretch for back pain. Then there's others like the child's pose. And child's pose can be really good just to give you some traction in the low back. And seated spinal twist. This is another one that can be really good for rotation of the vertebrae. Now it all depends on what's causing your pain. So consulting with a chiropractor and finding out what the cause is the first step. And if you're in Kelowna, we are accepting new patients. So you can click on the link below. I'll put a link right now in the chat. And then you can book an appointment just by going over to our calendar here. Or again, if you're on social media, just click on the link in the bio and you can book an appointment that way. But we'll be talking about different stretches at that free webinar on Saturday. We'll be talking about strengthening you can do for your back. And at the right time, some strengthening exercises are important, like doing planks or bridges, even Supermans for the back, to strengthen the front core and the back to support the right alignment of the spine. We'll be talking about different tips to maintain a healthy back, like regular exercise and stretching, proper ergonomics at home and at work, and maintaining a healthy weight, all very important for a healthy back. And then we'll be talking about when to seek chiropractic attention. So when do you know it's serious enough that you should go see a chiropractor? And that'll include things like persistent back pain, numbness or tingling in the limbs, difficulty standing or walking, these are all signs that things are getting a little more serious. And sometimes they can start off kind of benign, like very simple, and then progress to getting worse. So I definitely want to get the problem addressed as quickly as possible. Often, if you do that, we can treat a condition more quickly. It doesn't take as long if we can catch it when it's still early, and we don't have established patterns or chronicity to the problem. So if you're in pain, by all means, you can reach out. You can type in the chat here on YouTube. You can also DM me or comment here on social media. I'd be happy to help you. We are accepting new patients in Kelowna. And then please join me for these upcoming webinars. There's the back pain free webinar, which is the first link. There's the sleep webinar, which is a paid webinar, the second link. And then the last link, if you want to book an appointment, I put that in the show notes as well. Click on the link in the bio if you're on social media. And then I'll talk to you guys soon. Stay tuned for more Coffee with Dr. Cary's. And then I'll be sharing tips throughout the week. So if you don't follow on social media, please do. And also here on YouTube and our podcast channel, subscribe to our channels and like this video so we can do more of them.